feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. 'Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else love me like you do. That's
What's up, Dash Squad? So your girl is back with another video. Welcome to the Dash Squad. If you are new to the Dash Squad, I don't know why my lips are doing that, but if you are new to the Dash Squad, welcome to the Dash Squad. My name is Armoni. My channel focuses on beauty, inspiration, lifestyle, and hair reviews and vlogs. So we're gonna jump right into this video. Mscoco Hair sent us over a beautiful unit. I haven't opened it yet, so we're gonna do the unboxing with you guys. But here is the box. And they also sent us over some goodies. So we'll go into the goodies first and then we'll jump right into the unit. So they sent us over a comb, edge brush, wig cap, some beautiful lashes, hair clips, a bonnet, and a headband. So Mscoco Hair sent us over a thank you card and a how to care. So this unit is a 20-inch unit. It's a 13 by 4 and it's 180% density. So let's get women like me try to have some integrity. Make it hard. Good girls like myself who respect themselves and have dignity. Feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. 'Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else love me like you do. That's why I'm mine to spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You, me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. 'Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else love me like you do. That's why I'm mine to spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't
Don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. Me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. 'Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See, no one else love me like you do. That's why I'm mine, to spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on.
I told her, ooh, shawty wanna fuck me inside of the cool. I can take you out everywhere, fuck a jet share. Versace hotel, Versace room. Like you when you let down your hair with no clothes. And I think to myself, 'cause I never like these hoes. She only like to walk red like these hoes. Why would I waste my time on a shorty that don't got me on the front of her mind? Take you where you get designed and I want you there. In the Billy cat with the wings like a little guy. Yeah, come through, just us two. I like it 'cause you cut how I'm cut too. Come through, just us two. I like it 'cause you cut how I'm cut too.
Dale.
I told her, ooh, shawty wanna fuck me inside of the cool. I can take you out everywhere, fuck a jet share. Versace hotel, Versace room. Like you when you let down your hair with no clothes. And I think to myself, 'cause I never like these hoes. She
When I tell you guys, I like over love this hair. I love this hair. I love the color. I love the softness of this hair. I love that it already had its own beautiful curls. As you guys can see, I did not want to over curl this hair because I didn't want to take away from the curls itself, but I wanted to, you know, make sure my part in the front was defined. But this hair is like full of volume. It's 180% density. It's beautiful. Like, it fits my face well. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. Make sure you guys let me know if you're feeling it. I only added concealer to the part just to define the part a little bit better. Clearly, you guys can see before I put on the concealer, the part was already there. I just wanted to give it that pop. But this hair is beautiful. I love it. I would definitely wear it. And you can style it. You can pull the hair back. You guys know my baby hairs aren't the best, but you guys can pull the hair back. You can put it up in a ponytail. If you want to pull it up for any reason, you can. You can pull it up in a ponytail. I'm not doing that, but you can if you purchase this hair. Everything will be below in the description box. So please, please, please look below. Until next time, Dash Squad, thank you guys so much for watching.
I told her, ooh.